I close my eyes and I'm pulled into time and space as I watch across the oceans of the sea. The Viking river ships, the Viking boats are moving out of their terrain in northern Europe and coming across the vast oceans and seas of the world. Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibe, the place for travel tips, deals, news, features, information, and fun. I'm just so very excited to know that Viking now has ocean-going ships. And true to its form and true to history, as history would have it, we now have a Viking West Indies amazing offer for everyone. This is an 11-day sailing leaving from San Juan, Puerto Rico, and this starts in January 2019. Oh yes, you have time to take advantage of amazing pricing, including some air included in your pack. So you need to book early. You need to talk to us now. Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. We will show you the Caribbean the Viking way. Smaller ship means closer to the ports that the big vessels would never be able to access. Indulge yourself in the history and the vivaciousness of what makes the Caribbean absolutely spectacular. But don't just take my word for it. Viking is ready to show you how they do it. Take a look.
Set out with Viking for 11 enriching days, exploring the tropical isles of the Caribbean. Your journey begins in colorful San Juan, Puerto Rico, with 2 days to see the sights of this, one of the oldest and most historic cities in the Caribbean. Then it's on to Tortola, the largest of the British Virgin Islands, and its picturesque capital, Road Town. Antigua's allure is equal parts stunning natural beauty and intriguing history on this British colonial isle that was once home to Admiral Nelson's fleet. Entering the sheltered harbours of St. Lucia, you can sample Creole cuisine in the capital of Castries, or head for the Piton's Twin Peaks, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Barbados is home to rich history, and its parliament is among the oldest in the entire Commonwealth. Guadeloupe provides a taste of France in the New World, with colonial charm set amid idyllic Caribbean landscapes, while St. Kitts offers the chance to explore historic fortresses, dramatic volcanoes, and lush rainforests. St. Martin, split between the French and the Dutch, is home to a fascinating mix of colourful architecture and European influences. St. Thomas greets you with breathtaking vistas, beyond which you'll find the captivating capital of Charlotte-Amalie and its many cultural attractions. Before returning to the wonders of San Juan, a fitting conclusion to your exploration of some of the Caribbean's most enticing islands and cultures.